My name is Pangati, and I'm from Township Grammar School. I enjoy learning. My favorite subject is maths. Education is a key of success. It is important.
The mission of the school is to make sure that this school becomes one of the best schools in the district. This school in the local area, which is deprived, I will say that. But when Project Zulu came to assist us, we felt that that is what is needed.
The Township Teaching project started in 2012, and since then we've been sending teacher education students from UWI Bristol all the way to South Africa in pairs to teach and work and collaborate with teachers in township and rural schools in KwaZulu-Natal.
I think the value that stood out to me most about Project Zulu was empowerment, allowing the children to know how to learn and how they best learn, and for them to empower themselves and want to be able to learn.
Something I found inspiring about this project is being adaptive and obviously accommodating for all the children and their different needs, the large class sizes.
The students, they share their teaching methodologies with our teachers here at school. So having them on a yearly basis, our school is benefiting a lot.
The experience with the UWE students has been a very wonderful one. They are very helpful, resourceful, and informative. They interact very well with our learners as well as with our educators.
The teachers from the UWI are amazing. The thing that makes me excited about the UWI student teaches me is they had give us some games. When you combine learner and games, it is more exciting. I enjoyed coming in school every day because I want to spend more time with them.
If I had to describe the teaching project in 3 words, I would say it is about adventure, professional development, and it's about collaboration.